heard of quantum physics, but have you ever heard of quantum computing? We're here at UF's Malachowski Hall to learn more. Prabhat, tell us more about who you are and what you do.
I'm a professor in the computer science department, and I work in various areas, including one of them, you got it, quantum computing.
So what is quantum computing?
So quantum computing is similar to the way you compute using your phone, laptop, desktop, but it's just that it comes with an interesting trick. Unlike classical computing where you have zeros and ones on and off, here computation 0 and 1 can be at the same time together. Explore more options is actually where classical fails, or it takes a long time, but in quantum computing you can explore a lot more in a small amount of time. By all of these qubits getting entangled, superposition and all that beautiful properties of quantum physics, they solve problems efficiently.
Tell me about your research and how it's different than what has gone before.
So in quantum computing, lot of research happening. In fact, quantum physics is a bread and butter in many physics department. What is happening in quantum computing? How do you take those theory that's in their physics books and build computers? And then now that we know what problems we can solve efficiently, how do we program them to those computers so that you can solve? You cannot use your programming language like Python, Java, all that is not going to work. It talks in a different language, which is programming the qubits to solve the problem.
How much faster is quantum computing compared to traditional?
So again, quantum computer is not good for every problem that you can think of. There are many problems that classical is good at. In fact, where classical is good at or you are happy, you should not even blink about it. Mathematically, there is a special class of problem. There is extremely fast, which will take the lifetime of universe for a classical computer to solve it perfectly.
For more information on this collaborative research, stay tuned for further updates from the University of Florida.